Emiliano got 5 of those Tapu Kokos. I'll open those in a second. I'm gonna do. This is a sealed case of the ETBs. Hard to see it. It's kind of big. This is Battle Styles. One to 5 across the top, 6 to 10 across the bottom. You heard? Number 9 and number 3. So a blue and a red. That thing's heavy. Let me get all these packs out and then we'll start opening. Let's go this way. To find myself again. There's the packs. There's the other stuff. Sounds good, Ed Ram. What, come down for some beers and nah, make it liquor. Liquor and steaks. Here, actually, I'll move all this stuff to this box. All right, there's your 2 elite trainers. Where's Emiliano's stuff? Right there. Now 5 of these Tapu Koko. Mm-hmm. 3 of these. And a code card. That thing again. Another pen. Code card. Was wedged. That dude again, the pen. I'm gonna hope someone didn't steal that code. It was facing the camera through the clear thing. One of those. Last one. are all the, this whole side is the Tapu, Koko. These are the ETBs. A lot of packaging on those. What's up, PDX Greg? How's it going, dude? Break the secret basketball case. No can do. Johnny. What's up, Jacob? Just in time. All right, we'll break the Emiliano. We'll break the, this is the ETB version, and then we'll break the Tapu Koko next. You heard? I heard it. Slowpoke. Mr. Rhyme. Cherubi. Luxray. Brooks-ish. Colossal. Sergio, 8 left in that one. The person that actually wanted me to set that up hasn't got in either. That was CEO Cliff. But I haven't checked in the last 5 minutes. But when I started this break, there was 8 left in that one. 3 left. 3 left in the baseball. 6 left in the Pokemon break. 7 left in that other super break we added on. And then 8 left in the basketball. Conkeldurr. Crobat. English. And Mankey. I hear a buzzing sound outside. I don't know what it is. I don't see anything, but it's buzzing. Sounds like a Cessna plane hovering. Prime Ape. Steelix. Phoebe Cates. You guys hear that buzzing sound? Jelly scent. Scroll of swirls. Handor Bronzong. Colossal. Gilgar. Steelix. Ponjard. Flapple. Okay. Tell him, Chad, bro. It filled right up yesterday, but a day of the origin. And then again, we still haven't hit the book card from this case, if there is one. There's 6 boxes left. We hadn't hit any Trevors or Trey Lances. Should be some nice cards left in there. And that remaining 6 boxes. Yesterday when we did one, we got Mac Jones. Someone's getting it. Plan on holding that Ed Rim until LeBron gets in the Hall of Fame. And then see what it's going for at that point. And then maybe moving it. I got a sealed case of 0304 SP Authentic Chad basketball. Got it for pretty cheap way back in the day, and it's went way up, then it came back down, went way up during COVID, came back down. We'll see what it does. Pokemon Ranger? Any good, Emiliano? The Pokemon Ranger? Mola. Geodude. Incineroar. That is a rainbow. I think that's your first rainbow. Incineroar. Good or not? Victini. Tapu Koko GX. Armor Fossil. Cast Form. Amoonguss. Lampent, Kanguro, Shadows, Sharpedo, Tylo, Klefki? Is that reverse foil on the Klefki? I don't know. Anyway, that'll do it again. Emiliano, thanks for the breaks, buddy. I'll get all this on the way.